Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. If you don't know who I am, my name is James. I'm an investor, VC in the crypto space. I've been teaching crypto investing and stock investing for 10 years. I've been investing for more than 20 years, and I make daily videos showing you what I do in the markets. You can hit subscribe, join more than 70,000 people that are following my channel. Smash up the thumbs up button down there on your phone. My goal here is to make financial abundance for you all. My goal is financial freedom for everyone. I think this old system is fucked up where everyone is working their entire lives paycheck to paycheck every week, left with zero. And a few people have all the wealth and 99% of the people are slaves. And I'm going to make, my life goal is to change this. I want to give freedom to as many people as possible. I think the world can move to a place for abundance for all, machines doing all the heavy work, and a lot of us living just enjoying life. And that's my goal here on this channel. If you have ideas on how we can make that a reality, let me know in the comment section down below. I've been thinking about this just now actually, and I was thinking, so the wealthy, including myself in a way, get money from many people, small bits. And those small bits, when it comes to 1 point, add up to a lot. And so one person has a lot and many people give small bits. And that's where this wealth distribution is happening. Now, the problem is that each person doesn't just give a little bit, for example, to me, from these videos, from courses, from what else money comes to me from. It's that they give some to me, they give some to Netflix, they give some to oil companies, they give some to tax purposes, their government, they give some to McDonald's, and those little bits take all of the money from an individual, and they're usually left living paycheck to paycheck, and that money goes to a few people that get a lot of that wealth. So keeping as much of your little bits as possible and investing them for yourself is one way to stop that kind of money flow or that transaction. What other ways are there? Let me know in the comment section below. How do we make abundance for all? How do we stop this world where people work as slaves, 90% of people, their entire lives, and are left paycheck to paycheck at zero for the rest of their lives? Investing is another way. Instead of spending all your money, trying to invest into really smart investments as much as you possible. Let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin now. We're going into the charts for Bitcoin. On the 4 hourly, we are overbought. It's turning to head up. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a pump here at 41k. We are forming a W formation, and this is actually a little bit of a bull flag that's forming here on the hourly. So it's looking bullish. I had a short open on Bitcoin, but it's actually holding and moving up quite bullishly. We're getting a volume spike. Squeeze mob, stochastic still heading up, quite overbought. So I think we could go to 42,500 before the end of this bullish momentum. But this is kind of, and we're getting a bigger pattern here actually on the 4 hourly. If we make a triangle pattern, a trend line from here, we're still making lower lows though. That's the only thing. We've got a high here, then a low, then a lower low. So at the moment we're still making lower lows. Maybe it breaks out right now, but for the time being it's still a lower low. We're breaking out right now. It's tested and it's bouncing. So we're actually above this symmetrical triangle that's formed here. So this could actually be turning bullish for Bitcoin. If it does break out, 46,000. And it's forming a W formation, stochastic heading up. Let's check on the daily. On the daily, we're heading up now. And it's breaking out of this descending wedge. EMA ribbons, we're above the EMA ribbons. It spiked back up. VPVR, we have the most. My thinking is that we would come down, take all this liquidity down here on the VPVR at 39,000, and then liquidate everyone and then move up. That's what I think the market makers will do, because this is where the most buying and selling is here at the 39k, but it doesn't seem like that's happening. Bitcoin is still pushing up. And there is some orders sitting above here now. 42,000, there's a lot of buying and selling here. It's a difficult position. It's still channeling within this channel as well. And it seems to be forming a strong bottoming formation here. Here is very difficult to trade. Let's see what the indicators. Crypto Guru bot is still saying a sell on the daily. Bitcoin indicator bot is still saying a sell. It hasn't flipped to buy, the two indicators. Stochastic is heading up more. Squeeze mob is going to the red side. Money flow is flowing into Bitcoin again on the daily. So on the daily, it's saying that we got more to move up, 42,500. On the 4 hourly also, it's overbought, but more to move up. It's still showing bullishness. And it's heading up here. We got a bit of a pump the last 8 hours from 40,000 to 41,000. I had a short open, so my short is in the negative right now. We get a little bit of a volume spike here, and we tested this with a little bit of volume. So it did have a bounce with volume. So it can be heading to 42,000. Let's check out my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, you can join my Bybit traders. underneath this link, smash up the thumbs up button, join. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit the subscribe button, join more than 70,000 people. Click the join button to follow my live trades in cryptos and stocks. I bought some stocks today. I bought Uber, which I think is kind of, it's showing strength on the bottom here. I'm still got a lot of capital as I'm laddering down. I don't think the bottom is in for stocks and cryptos, but I'm starting to ladder in here. I'm going to show you my trades as well. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video you can go down below and join this Bybit trading link. This sign up, if you sign up using Bitcoin trading Bybit link, this link down below, you get a sign up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up and use this link, and that will give you this trading software. In this account, I have 179,000, almost 180,000 US dollars, just $40 off. I've got 100,000 US dollars. I've got Bit of 37,000, up quite a bit today. I've got Bitcoin around $20,000. I've got Cake, which is, I bought it, my order triggered, if you followed it, triggered and then went back up. It's triggered at $6.08. So now we're back to 6.30. So it triggered the trade and added 10,000. If you watch my video, ALTCOIN is up 76% today, 4,000. It was up to $15 and it pulled back at $15 like I thought it would. I've got a Bitcoin short open at the moment, which is getting hammered. The short is down around $154, 13%. So my short is failing right now. Bitcoin is pumping above this descending wedge. I missed that descending wedge. I caught it actually in the video before yesterday and I went long, but then I missed it today. I thought it was going to break down. That was wrong. It's now breaking up. It's holding that support and heading up. I should close my long here. On the hourly it's quite overbought, but on the 4 hourly it has more to move. So I'm going to close my long. This is a $150 loss. So I lost two trades today. That's around $200 loss today on my trades, but my account is up around it was at 176,000 yesterday, so it's up around 3,000 something dollars today on just holding my spot positions. But Bitcoin is looking bullish, so I might actually flip to a long here because of this descending wedge. It's holding above this descending wedge, tested, and we've got a bit of a volume spike, so the target would be around 42,000. If it gets to there, we could be forming this W that takes us to 46,000 for Bitcoin. So I might actually go long here. Oh, let's check on the hourly. On the hourly fit candles, zoom in. We're getting that bounce with a bit of volume. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to push up. We've got some resistance here at 41,400. It might pull back first, but it's looking quite bullish with a good amount of volume bouncing here, and people might FOMO. It's also creating a bull flag here. We got a pole, we've got a flag forming. So it is quite bullish to head up. So I'm going to go long with a very tight stop. So I'll open my long where we are now. And my stop just below this supports here. Below this trend line, actually sitting there perfect. And my take profit, I'll put it at the $45,000 target. So I'm risking $1,000. It's 3.86 ratio trade, risking 1,100 to make 4,200 unleveraged. If I use 10x leverage, $42,000 profits, 100x leverage, 420,000. So I'm going to open a long here where we're sitting at 41,000. The stop loss at 39,700. So a very tight stop. So I'm going to do a $500 long where we're sitting right now. Confirmed. Oops. Confirmed that trade is open. I'm going to put take profit at 45,160 and stop loss at 39,700. 45,161 and stop loss at 39,765. 39,765. So I'm risking $167 to make $528. Confirm. My trade is open. Bitcoin long is open now. I'm still holding spot, but I'm mainly in US dollars at the moment. Nearly all USDT. I might add a bit more to Bitcoin here because it is showing bullishness. So I'm going to add another. I'm going to slowly ladder in, but I'm going to add another $10,000 to Bitcoin here. Actually, I've got a 36,000 add along, but Bitcoin is just not pulling back. So I'm going to add another 10,000. I'm buying Bitcoin at this price limit, 41,890. I'm adding another 0.2 Bitcoin. Almost $11,000 Bitcoin confirmed. So it just bought more Bitcoin, which is beautiful. The order is set. Did it actually buy? The order is set, 41,000. Oh, it's pushing up right now. So I'm going to buy it at the current price. Buy Bitcoin, let's see if it executes. The order is now open. No, it's not having time to open the trade. I think the order went through already. Let's see. No, still not. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin at this price right now. Confirm, buy Bitcoin, confirm. 41.2. My order's sitting just there. Let's see if it executes. But yeah, now it's filling. Beautiful. So that's my orders for Bitcoin. I'm going to also show you some information. We've got staking launching for MCRT on the 25th of March to change to staking is starting. We supported Ukraine with some charities. You can find it on my Twitter, which is beautiful, MCRT. I'm going to be speaking at Cypher Capital at the AIB Summit with ALTCOIN on the 22nd of March in Dubai. If you want to come join, it's going to be cool. I'll be on stage with ALTCOIN. This is for MagicCraft NFT launch. NFTs are coming to MagicCraft. There's a $1,000 giveaway that ends on the 23rd of March. You can also find that on my Twitter. 16-year-old crypto investor when their 0.0069 Bitcoin goes up 27% in value. Keep up the great work, man. Appreciate your transparency and the fact that you actually show it every time. Not a lot of people do that. Most will say something but do the opposite. I'll be speaking at the AIBC Summit on the 21st to the 23rd. ALTCOIN will be there and some other business leaders. It's going to be epic. That was for St. Patrick's Day yesterday. We've got that $1,000 Gleam campaign. You can follow me on Twitter to check out all those campaigns. Follow James Crypto Guru. Let's check on our Bitcoin trade right now. So the Bitcoin executed. The trade is up $4. It's starting to move. And let's see if that Bitcoin trade is fully executed. No, it's only bought $2,000 worth of it. Bitcoin is pumped above my order price. It's only filled 0.3. It went up another $30. Should I execute the rest of the trade right now or should I wait to see if it pulls back? Seems to be pumping on the hourly, on the 4 hourly, on the daily. It's got more to move, so I would just execute the trade right now actually, not wait. It's because I did a limit order, so I'm going to put the rest. So I did 8,000, so I'm going to add the rest of the trade. So I did 2,000 already, and I'm going to make it a market order so it executes instantly. Another 8,000, buy, confirm. Booyah. I just bought Bitcoin and that trade is pumping. It's up 2% since I opened it, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching. That was a lot of information very quickly. You can learn it in much more detail in the Crypto Master Course. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. Yeah, Bitcoin looking strong. The altcoin market's pulling back. Stock market's also having a push up. I've already started laddering into some stocks if you follow my live trades. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a beautiful day. You're an amazing community. Let me know in the comment section down below how we can make the world more abundant and less people working slavery. Another way would be to drop the working days to maximum 3 days per week, 5 hours a day. That would also bring some kind of balance to work-life schedule. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.